Hello my flourishing friends! Surprise! A video not on a Sunday. We thought about that. I just received this box. I wanted to share with you what's inside of it. I'm so excited to open it. It's a local company. They send you this, it's every second monthly box, I think. They just started the whole thing out. Yeah, they send stationery and craft things or little knickknacks, nice little things that just make your day better, little presents. It's a cute little shop and I really want to support them. They're from the area where I'm from. Yeah, that's why I'm doing this video right now. I'm a bit unsure how to do this because I never obviously did an unboxing video, but there's always a first time, and let's dive in. So this is the box. It's called Lievelingspost, which means favorite mail. I think that's already a nice thing to do. By the way, everything that is in here was 20 bucks. Yeah, fairly cheap compared to other subscription boxes you can get as a paper lover. Yeah, like I said, it's a local business and I think that's better than shipping stuff around the world. There we go, I'm so excited. I've got my security kid scissors here today. Let's open it. Okay, there we go. Ooh, how pretty is that? Let me just adjust it a bit so you can see better. Okay, there we go. I had to change my setting a bit so you guys are able to see. First of all, look at this, how caretaking they packaged it. It's so lovely. It doesn't feel like opening a package from a shop. It feels like getting a nice present from a friend or something. Yeah, wow. Where do we start? Okay, I'm gonna start with this. It's a nice tea. It's a green tea. Always good to have some tea. As you all know, I love to drink tea with crafting, so it's gonna be drinking for sure. And it's from Australia. Wow. Yeah, we have a little note. How cute. So, for you guys that are from Holland, I'm gonna hold it a bit close. You can read it for yourself. Okay, I'm gonna try to translate it for you guys. Welcome to your own favorite mail. Maybe somebody gave you this as a little present. However, I know that you deserve. With this favorite mail, we wish you nice moments for yourself. So I would say let's sit down, maybe with a nice cup of coffee or tea. Translation, none of my favorite things here. Anyways, I hope that you enjoy the little stationery thingies. They got picked out with love, and yeah, apparently Emma sent me this. So thanks, Emma. Okay, let's open it. This is, by the way, I watch ASMR videos a lot. This is ASMR heaven. I think there's even a girl out there somewhere who did an ASMR video also with this box. So cheers to you, girl. Oh wow, it's actually wrapped like presents. Unbelievable. Oh, I'm so happy with this. Okay, I'm gonna dig in right for washi tape. Awesome. Nice colors. I don't have those colors yet, so that's good. I'm gonna go for the little things first before we unwrap. Johnny Doodle, vanilla fudge. Home is where the fudge is. Yes, I love it. That goes for sure good with the tea. I'm gonna try that out. And the pencil and the pen. And the pen says, all eyes on you. That looks so cool. Ooh, that's nice. That is actually syrup to make your own lemonade, and it's raspberry flavor. And it looks like a international mail envelope. Really cool. Really cool. Thank you, Emma, again. I really feel like a child here. So, oh, they're so cute. They're gonna find their way on a card of mine. So you guys are gonna see those items for sure again. Look at those little clips. So cute. All of those details, unbelievable. And really keep in your mind, it's only 20 bucks. That's so cool. By the way, I'm not getting paid or something. I just am really enthusiastic that I found this this shop and that they do this. And like I said, supporting a local company is always good. Oh, it's a little lucky charm. How did they know that we are up for making our own luck, huh? So cute. Gonna put that on my keychain. Okay. And so the adventure begins. Yeah, let's go. By the way, not a person that takes 20 minutes to unwrap a present, because the paper is there to be ripped. So I'm gonna rip it. Ooh. And it's a notepad. And Leo, look. I really like it. I already have 10,000 ideas what to do with it for my pen pals, like do the mail tag on it or something, or just for grocery lists. Very handy. This is random, but I like it. I like it. I'm gonna keep it for something. Oh, and a little banner kit. How cute. I'm gonna leave it all together. Also, again, something maybe for another video. At least you're cool on the internet. Yeah, that's true. At least I'm cool there. Oh, shit. Yeah, that fits, doesn't it? Oh, perfect sticker. Thank you. Okay. Oh, the paper is so pretty. Tulips. They're all over Holland. How much love went into this. It's amazing. Somebody really sat down, wrapped this as a present. That's so nice. Oh, that's so cool. It feels like recycled paper, and it has their logo in front. Oh wow. Oh, I'm gonna treasure this one. Awesome. Really awesome. And you can always have a notebook or 2 or 3. I have them laying around all over the house. And here we have a cat riding a crocodile. It's really light. Let's see. Da-da-da-da. Ooh, perfect. It's for card making. Those are cards you can craft yourself. I'm not gonna take all of them out because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna craft with them for a video, so it's a surprise for you guys. It comes with the fitting envelopes as well. And there is a little box in here, which I really like, so you can wrap a present. Those boxes are always handy. And when you buy a gift, most of the time you don't find the right one, so it's good to have one in stock. Okay, 2 things left. What should I do? Left or right? All of those little bags. So cute. I don't know how many times I just said cute. Cute. So cute. Cute. So cute. So cute. But yeah. It's really cute. It says gift voucher. Oh, how neat. Gift voucher for a surprise. And then you can like write down what you would like and even close it with a little sticker. So nice. Ooh, I already know who's gonna get that. And the last item. Isn't that paper pretty? I'm gonna keep it and craft with it because it's so nice. And it feels very soft. I know you cannot feel it, but it's really soft. So we have some stickers fitting with the cards we've got, of course. So cool. Oh, love it. And we have, what is it? Ooh! First I thought those were cards as well, but those are thingies you can put around a wine bottle. So when you give it as a present, it hangs a tag on top. So nice. I'm a bit overwhelmed by what I've got. Like I said, it's only 20 bucks plus shipping, and you get so many things, and it's so, yeah, it's wrapped nice. It's good quality. It's not some rubbish they had laying around or something. It's really quality items. Let me put it all together what I've got so you can see another time. The little charmy. Yeah, this one is the mantra for today. Maybe I'm gonna hang it in my office or something. So every time I'm editing, I know I'm at least cool on the internet. And the pen, the syrup, the tea. Got the little nice note and the washi. And I already forgot again. Oh yeah, the flip thingies. I'm gonna put them right here. So you have a little overview on what you really get, what I just got. I'm really happy with it. I can't wait to play with some things and yeah, share a few items. I have actually some birthdays coming up, so the cards really come handy. I'm for sure gonna get the next box. I'm thinking about putting a link down in the description from the shop. So maybe if you want to order it, you can go ahead and do so. I can really recommend this. Like I said, it's my first time ordering it, and I'm hooked now. So it's really nice. Yeah, that was already it for today, guys. I just wanted to share this glorious moment because I could not wait to open it. It was laying there for like 3 hours and I was running around it like a little cat, which the dog didn't like. Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this a bit weird video. I had so much fun filming this, so next box for sure is gonna be a video. Because don't forget, at least you're cool on the internet. And yeah, I wish you a really nice day, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles and hugs. Your Lisa.